Man, it's good to see those eyes. Underguard battery bit.
Now, Sway, you cooking up.
All right, last 2 bags. Last 3 bags, rather. Let's see. Underguard. So this is the ones for the underguard. This finish up the battery and this will be for the guard. Turns out it wasn't just a broken bolt. It was also a broken tip of a bolt extractor that had to be drilled out. So Blue from Blue Slim Custom was able to drill the bolt out, as well as prepare the bolt hole to receive a new bolt. He even stopped by to lend a hand with reassembling the Jeep. Nice. So she's alive. It's the first start since, oh my goodness. After much hard work. With some help, I was able to finish this repair just in time, one day before the Jeep Jam at Myrtle Beach. Thank y'all for rocking and riding with me. Y'all be blessed.